Cisco ACI, the firewall integration. When you use the APEC, you deploy the firewall service between the endpoint APGs. The APG set up a container for the application or application tiers. When you place the firewall in between the EPGs, security policy configure the firewall secures the firewall traffic between the EPGs. The APEC will provide a single panel glass managing network topology and supports inserting L4 to L7 devices. The logic in this video, we're creating market clients EPG and market server EPG. They will be connected between each other with a firewall. For example, the client is setting up in the outside and secure level 100 is inside for market server. For EPG, we create two bridge domains. Original server setting at 10.20.20.20.0.24 and BD client is at 10.10.10.0/24. The default gateway instead we're gonna to point to the firewall itself, to the own firewall interface. The two switches, leave 1 and we use 40 has physical connecting to the firewall port 1, and on the sleeve 2 we use port 30, the physically connected to the firewall port 2. Without a firewall, we would create a contract to connect the DB client, DB server to market client, market server EPG. But we don't use that. We're going to point our default gateway to the firewall and use a firewall to control L4 to L7 traffic. So let's first create our port group, the port policy group. What first to create it is, my name is the IPG market client. We'll turn off the CDP, choose 1 gig link for my client, and port security will allow 1 MAC. Stone control will make 40, BBD regards and so on. So submit. We'll create the next EPG. So IPG, we're creating this market servers. With CDP on, we use a 10 gig for server, port security 5 MAC address, stone control is 40, BBD regard on, click submit. Now create 2 policy groups, market and market client, market servers. For next, we'll create a leaf interface profile. The first profile name as market. We'll only create 1 single interface profile for leaf 01 and leaf 02 interface profile. We'll be adding 1 to 30 for client, for the client, the market client, and we choose 1 to 130 on for ICG market client interface policy. Click OK. And next we'll create port selector. We'll select 31 to 40 for the market servers. 31 to 40. We'll be choosing IPG market servers. Click submit. Now creating the interface profile for 2 leaf and 01 and leaf 02 switches. For the next, we go move to the switch on the leaf switch and the profile, creating a new profile. We got leaf 01 and leaf 02 for market prof switch. gonna name it the same for the leaf selector. We'll select both, switch, update, click next. Now we select this interface selector, interface profile, click finish. Now we're gonna choose associate VLANs. Click. We're gonna search the VLAN. We can navigate to global. AAEP. We'll create one AAEP. We're gonna name it AAEP ACI market. We're gonna add to the ACI ports, all the ACI ports. We're gonna select the market. I'm gonna select all the market client and market servers. Click finish. And next we'll create a bridge domains for the client and servers. First we'll go to tenant, click tenant ABC and expand network. For the bridging domain, I'm gonna create a new bridge domain. Go to the bridge domain, market client, and we choose the global routing table VIF. Click next. And make sure a flooding is enabled. Now we'll just add a subnet to it, 10.10.10.254/24. Advertise it to external. Click next and finish. We're creating next bridge domain market servers GRT at VIF. Navigate and create a gateway IP 10.20.20.254/24. Because advertise to external. Next, click finish. So for the next, we're gonna to move to application profile. I'm gonna to create a new application profile. I'm gonna name it market application profile. I'll create my EPGs later. The expand market app profile. Now it's time to create my EPG market client, and we choose that bridge domain market for client, and we click finish. Also create another EPG. We'll create the EPG market servers. I choose that bridge domain, market servers bridge domain, click finish. Now, next we're gonna to assign the static ports to my EPG. The market client we're gonna assign to this 1/2 port on the leaf 2 to market client EPG, and we're gonna pick up the /32 to connect the market servers to connect the leaf 1. So let's do it. So to expand the clients, and we're gonna create the static port. The nodes we're gonna pick is the leaf till 2. We're gonna connect to my market client. The path we're gonna pick up a port. Pick it up second port and market just pick a 10 immediate access untagged. Click finish. Now expands our market server, and we're gonna assign a port to it. A port we're gonna assign is on leaf 01. Assign 32 port. We're gonna assign to VLAN 20. Give it untag. Finish. So normally we create a contract for two EPGs to talk to each other, but we don't create a contract In this case, we will allow firewall to be integrated respectively on port 40, and port 30. We're not creating constraints in the ACI to control the traffic flow between these two bridge domain. This bridge domain, or the EPGs, we want external firewall to contract the traffic between the market client and the market